back in with meteorologist Alex Puckett. I know a lot of people are going to be heading out to those fireworks shows. What can we expect tonight?
Well, chance for some rain and storms like yesterday. Some spots will be dealing with that around fireworks times. Others won't. We're dealing with some rain right now in Tuscaloosa. And this is just light rain. Not exactly a nice way to spend your 4th of July, but the worst thunderstorms are south of Tuscaloosa currently, back into parts of Hale County at the moment. New thunderstorm developing on the Blount-St. Clair County line. That's going to be pretty close to Springville there. Another shower near Gadsden. A few more showers from Jacksonville north towards the Cherokee Calhoun County line. And then a shower that's there on the Clay-Talladega County line near Waldo. But again, the more intense thunderstorms are back into parts of Hale County at the moment. We'll zoom in on these and show you. These have been pushing east of Greene County, now into far southern Hale County, approaching Newbern. Along Highway 25 is where some of the worst of this storm is, and this will be continuing to drift east. We'll put a track on this for you. It is slow moving, and understand that these summertime storms can sometimes, let me redo that. These summertime storms can sometimes be a little bit unusual in the way that they move. So, goodness gracious, this thing giving me some trouble here. One more time. Here we go. So it's right now from Newbern back down towards Providence. This is moving off to the east, but it's not moving very fast, only about 25 miles an hour. So this will be moving into Perry County, into Uniontown, probably about 4:23 or so, and Marion probably by about 4:43. So this will take a while to get over to Highway 5 into Perry County, but we'll continue to track that storm. And other storms that develop through the rest of tonight, we're weather aware for those because some of these storms could produce some gusty winds, hail, and locally heavy rain. Most storms probably won't reach severe limits, but they could be impactful, and we could be dealing with some of those storms through fireworks times, although I tend to think the storm coverage may go down some by 9 or 10 o'clock. Just be aware, if you hear thunder, you're waiting for one of those fireworks shows, make sure you head indoors or at least inside a car to wait out those storms. As we head into the day tomorrow, pretty much today's weather on repeat. Highs in the low 90s and those storms developing in the afternoon and evening. And this is pretty cookie cutter July weather that we're going into. Temperatures in the low 90s for the most part over the next 7 days. We might stay just a little shy of that as we head into the start of next week, but the heat index into the upper 90s and low 100s. And those rain chances aren't going anywhere either. By 8 p.m., model showing still scattered storms ongoing. These could have some impacts for some of our fireworks shows, but again, the model only going to get the overall pattern of storms right, not necessarily the exact location. Past midnight, most of that fizzles out, but tomorrow, more scattered storms developing. Again, some of these could be on the strong side. This model suggesting that once we get past mid-afternoon and towards Wednesday evening, that most of that rain fizzles out, but here we go again on Thursday, more scattered storms into the afternoon and evening. And that pattern's going to continue, although storm coverage may be a little bit lower as we head into Friday and into the weekend. Still, just be prepared for off and on showers and storms for the foreseeable future. Those rain chances do dip a little bit as we head towards the end of this week, but at no point do I think it's a safe bet that you don't see rain. But this is a typical summertime pattern. Rain totals will be pretty scattered, but on average across the entire state of Alabama, about 1 to 2 inches of rain. But if you get caught under one of these thunderstorms that just doesn't move, there could be some flooding issues, at least in a couple of spots across the state over the next 7 days. So pretty standard July weather for us, hot and humid each afternoon with those scattered showers and storms popping up each day. Like I said, rain coverage a little higher today and tomorrow. After that, fairly isolated, but look, we're going to keep those storms around for the foreseeable future. You can keep up with our forecast with our Storm Team radio partners across the state, Talk 995 and Hot 107.7. Carly.